And this runs on a battery, which they say should last about a year, so you don't have to worry about charging it. If you ever needed to replace the battery, you can push it in on the back and twist it counterclockwise. And the back comes off. And I'll put the exact name of the battery that you'll need here. Once you get the new battery, you can take the old one out and put the new one in. To put the cover back on, put this on top and twist it clockwise. If you ever wanted to check the charge of the battery, you can see that in the Find My app. Go to Items on the bottom, then choose the AirTag, and there's the battery icon right underneath the name. Now here are some tips and important things to know. If you ever wanted to not use the AirTag anymore, or if you wanted to give it to someone else, make sure you remove it from your Apple ID. And to do that, swipe all the way to the bottom and choose Remove Item. And then it won't be linked to your Apple ID anymore. For another tip, if you're ever having issues with it or it's not working, you can try resetting it by taking the battery out. Then put it back in and push down a little bit, and it makes that sound. Then do that 4 more times and it resets.